Hello everyone, doing a quick windshield swap. So I currently have the stock windshield on my 22 Indian Chieftain Dark Horse. The windshield that comes stock is a 10-inch windshield, and I decided to get a Freedom Shield 10-inch windshield, which has the curve at the top. It's slightly wider, and so I'm going to go through the process. My tripod for my camera here is broken, so I'm probably just going to film this in pieces and kind of string it together for now. There goes my boy riding his little thing there. Anyways, so in order to change the windshield, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts that have to come out. And I was told it's a good idea to put a towel here in case you drop one of them, they won't fall into the fairing. And then also, I was told that you should put some painter's tape on the back sides to keep the little washers in place. Or not washers, but I guess nuts in place so that you don't lose them as well. So I'm gonna pop this windshield off, and then I'm gonna do a side-by-side so you can see what these two windshields look like, what the difference is between the stock windshield and the Freedom Shield. And then I'll get the Freedom Shield windshield put on, and we'll go from there. Be right back. Okay, so that was pretty easy. It was a 5/32 Allen key to pop out the 5 bolts. They came out pretty easy. The new windshield went on pretty easy as well. There are some rubber washers behind it, so you got to be careful that they don't fall off. So I have the new windshield on. Freedom Shields says not to peel off the plastic film until you're sure you want to keep the windshield. If you leave the film on it and take it for a ride and you decide that the size or the height of the windshield is not right for you, then you can return it and exchange it for a different size. So I have the new windshield on. I'm going to take it for a quick ride and make sure it's the right windshield before I remove the film, and I will be right back. All right, so I have the new windshield installed. I took it for a short ride before I removed the plastic film, just so that I could be sure it was the right size for me. It's the same size as the stock windshield, and that was nearly perfect for me. So I think this windshield will do well for me. The difference is that this windshield has a little curve, like a recurve at the top. It throws the wind a little bit higher, so at full extension. So this one is the medium tint. I didn't want another clear windshield, and I didn't want to go super dark because you can't look through it. I'm gonna see if you can tell looking through it what the clarity is like. Yeah, it's a very clear windshield. There's no distortion at all, even at the curve. That was one of the things I did not like about Indian's curved windshield. And also I looked through a Clockworks windshield once, and it seemed distorted at the curve. As you can see, there is no distortion at all whatsoever on this windshield. So hopefully this windshield turns out to be the right pick for me on the first time around. I know that windshields are sort of, you know, I don't know, it's the luck of the draw, I guess. Some people go through 3 or 4 windshields before they find the perfect one, but I'm hoping this is the right one for me. But if anything changes, I will update this with an actual review. Gonna get a little ride time on it, and then maybe I'll do a long, like maybe a 500 or 1,000 mile review on it at some point. But for now, super easy install. Took me maybe 5 or 10 minutes, and the quality of the windshield itself is very good. So I think I'll be happy with it. Have any questions? Drop me a comment, like and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next video.